My name is Walter Skold. I'm from Maine, and my friends call me the Dead Poet Guy because I've been around the country visiting the graves of over 500 poets, and I've been in Kentucky for a week and a half, all over your state, visiting poets' graves. And very excited today to be here in Lexington at the African American Cemetery number 2 to find the grave of Charles Benjamin, very important figure, but unfortunately unknown now. And when I read his story, I knew I had to visit his grave and promote him. He was an incredibly active black lawyer and poet and activist and editor for many, many years in the late 19th century. And in 1900, he was actually shot in the back here in Lexington for the crime of organizing African Americans to vote and encourage them to vote. So when I read that story, it resonated so much with the current terrible troubles that we're having still in our country with young black men being shot in the back and otherwise. So I really looked into his story, and I feel like he's a man who should be promoted and remembered as an example of a poet who spoke out forcefully for his society and for change, and he paid the price with a bullet in the back. And in our culture, every group looks to and listens to their poets as the people who reflect the voice and the beliefs and the struggles and the questions of their generation and their own people. So each grave I visit just cements in me the importance that poets play in our cultural historical treasures, but also I much prefer living poets. And you know, we in times of crisis listen to our poets in America.